In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use enhanced custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Hi everyone. We're going to focus on making those fields look professional and easy to read by designing the form style they appear on. Start by opening QuickBooks Online Advanced and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. This opens your main settings panel. Under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This is the workspace where you control the look and feel of your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, including how your enhanced custom fields are presented to customers. Next, click New Style. You'll be prompted to choose the type of form you're designing: invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. Pick the one you plan to use first. Invoices are great for billing, estimates are for quoting work before it's approved, and sales receipts are best when you're paid at the time of sale. Choosing the correct form type ensures your layout fits the way you do business. Give your template a clear, memorable name. A good naming convention like Invoice, Modern, or Estimate with QR makes it easy to find later and keeps your team consistent. Now, customize your template. Add your logo to reinforce your brand, and choose colors and fonts that are clean, readable, and accessible. High contrast helps customers quickly find totals and due dates. If you accept electronic payments, include EFT or payment details so customers know exactly how to pay you. This can reduce delays and questions. You can also add a stamp, signature, or QR code if needed. A stamp or signature can be useful for approvals, while a QR code can direct customers to a payment page or your website. Place these elements thoughtfully so they support the content without distracting from key information like item lines, subtotals, taxes, and totals. Remember, any enhanced custom fields you've already set up will follow this style, so good spacing and clear headings make those fields easier to understand. When you're happy with the design, click Save to finish creating the template. Saving locks in your layout and branding so you can reuse it without starting from scratch. From here on, anytime you create a new invoice, estimate, or sales receipt, select this template to apply your customizations. This keeps your documents consistent, professional, and aligned with your enhanced custom fields, helping customers read and act on them faster. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.